Yeah, my name is Joe Piquel. I have a second home in Punta Gorda, Florida, and I'm based typically in the New York, New Jersey area. I started to look at doing a roof replacement probably a couple of years ago, and I was looking for alternative materials that were eco-friendly, but having been through a couple of major storms in Florida, it was really important that I chose a roofing material and a roof structure that was impact resistant. With the last major storm with Hurricane Ian, I had significant roof damage. And having done some research into roofing materials beforehand, it came down to me thinking about going with a metal roof or a choice like Brava. And as I continued to look more and more into the Brava product, started to talk to Brava, and I really liked the personal support that I actually got from the manufacturer. And that's incredibly rare in the roofing industry. They referred me into Florida Specialty Roofing, and I will tell you that my experience working through with Brava to the roofer that they recommended for me was one of the best experiences I've ever had with the contractor. I had such great communication with Florida Specialty Roofing. When they came down, I will tell you that within 4 days, 5 days, a max, they had the roof off. They had the Brava tiles on, to the final trim work done, end to end. In construction, you always hear the horror stories, and I've had some of those in my experience. This to me was an amazing experience at an incredibly chaotic period of time. It was amazing to me. My roofing company did a phenomenal job, but they started with a phenomenal product. My neighbors were blown away. And they're like, what did you put on your roof? And I'm like, it's a composite tile. And they're like, what do you mean it's a composite tile? And I'd show them and they're like, this is amazing. I feel passionate about this product because I see what this product really is. And I see how different this product is to other things that are in the market. Most of the architecture, especially in my area in Florida, is Mediterranean barrel tile roofs. Brava allows the ability to keep that original architectural style with an incredibly weather-resistant roof. I mean, a metal roof takes an impact. You have a dent in your metal roof. You could throw something 100 miles an hour in a Brava tile and it's just gonna basically bounce back off of it. It doesn't break. Their product's a really good product, and their product solves a lot of problems. It's amazing.